Hey there, coin enthusiasts and collectors. Welcome back to the channel Coin ZF if you're passionate about numismatics, history, and learning about rare coins that could be hiding in your collection or your pocket. Then you're in the right place. Today, we've got something incredibly interesting to talk about. The Groszy Poland 2008 coin, which has caught the attention of many collectors and investors around the world. Now, what makes this coin so special, and why is it worth $52,142 million? Stick around because we're going to dive deep into its story, its value, and even some tips on how to find rare coins in your collection. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a coin discovery. Let's take a journey back in time. The Groszy coin is a part of Poland's currency system, which uses groszy as the subunit of the Polish zloty. But where did this coin come from, and what's its significance in Polish numismatic history? The groszy coin first appeared in Poland back in the 14th century, but the groszy coin, as we know it today, was introduced as part of the modern Polish currency after the country regained independence in 1989. The groszy coin was designed to be small, easy to carry, and widely used by Polish citizens in their daily transactions. Throughout the years, this coin has seen many different designs and features, but the Groszy 2008 version stands out due to a few specific factors. So let's fast forward to 2008 and take a closer look at this particular coin. Okay, let's talk about the 2008 design. On the obverse side, you'll find a beautiful representation of the Polish eagle, which is a national symbol of Poland. This eagle has been part of Polish currency for centuries, and it stands as a powerful emblem of the country's history. The reverse of the groszy coin features a simple but elegant design, a pair of stylized oak branches. This symbol represents strength and endurance, qualities that are deeply tied to Poland's cultural and historical identity. Now, let's talk about the size and material. The groszy coin weighs around 2.5 grams and is made of copper-plated steel, which gives it a shiny, durable finish. It's also relatively small, with a diameter of about 21 millimeters. So it's a coin that's easy to carry around, but what makes it so valuable today? Here comes the exciting part. The value. How on earth does a groszy coin, which was originally meant to be a small denomination for everyday transactions, end up being worth $52,142 million? Well, there's a little more to this story. First, let's talk about the rarity of certain coins. Coins can become valuable for many reasons. Low mintage, special designs, historical significance, or even mistakes in production. While this groszy coin may not be rare in the traditional sense, there are unique circumstances that have driven up its value. One major factor here is a highly unusual error that occurred in the production of a limited number of groszy coins in 2008. A small portion of these coins were minted with an off-center strike, making them stand out to collectors. Over the years, a few of these error coins were discovered and sold at auctions for astronomical prices. In fact, some of these coins were sold for up to $52,142 million. That's right, you heard me. Now let me break this down for you. These coins became collector's items, sought after by those who specialize in mint errors. As the years passed, the demand increased, and so did the value. Now that you know about the rare error coins, how can you identify one in your collection? Well, it's all about looking for signs of an off-center strike or any other unusual features. Let's take a closer look at the specifics of this error. When inspecting a 2 groszy coin, pay attention to the alignment of the design. If the eagle on the obverse or the oak branches on the reverse seem shifted or off-center, you may have stumbled upon a valuable error coin. That if you're interested in starting your own coin collection, this 2 groszy coin is a great place to start. Investing in rare coins can be an exciting and profitable hobby, but it's important to know what you're looking for. Let's talk about a few tips. First, always keep your coins in good condition. Use proper storage, like acid-free holders or coin albums, to preserve their value. Second, learn about the specific coins you're interested in, whether it's through books, online communities, or coin shows. And finally, keep an eye on auction results and sales trends to see how prices are moving. So, there you have it. The 2 Groszy Poland 2008 coin and its astonishing $52,142 million value. This just goes to show that even the smallest and seemingly insignificant coins can hold incredible value if you know what to look for. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with any rare coins you've found in your collection. What's the most valuable coin you've come across? I'd love to hear about it. And as always, make sure to subscribe for more videos on rare coins, tips on collecting, and the world of numismatics. Until next time, keep your eyes peeled for hidden gems and happy collecting.